Welcome to the Chinese Homestyle Cooking Channel. This is part 3 of a 5-part series. You can find the links to the other parts in the video description below. In this video, we will show how to make dumpling wrappers from the dough we made in part 1. As a reminder, because making dumplings is a slightly complicated process, it is commonly made by the entire family as a bonding experience. We highly recommend making dumplings with your friends or family as a fun cooking activity. Start by dusting your surface with a little bit of flour. Take your dough and push a hole through the middle and start stretching the dough to make a circle. When the dough is about an inch in thickness, break the circle and roll the dough until it is about a ½ inch in thickness. Dust more flour on the surface and on your dough as needed. Once your dough is about a ½ inch in thickness, use a knife and cut them into pieces about a ½ inch in width. Once the entire dough is cut into these smaller pieces, dust generously with flour and roll around with your hands to make sure they are all covered. Take each piece and flatten with the base of your palm. To make a dumpling wrapper, take one of the flattened pieces and a dumpling rolling pin and hold one side of the dough with one hand and roll the pin with your other hand halfway up the dough. Use the hand holding the dough to turn it a quarter of the way counterclockwise. Roll the pin halfway up the dough and rotate. Continue to roll and rotate until you complete the entire circle about 3 to 4 times. Your wrapper should be about 3 to 4 inches in diameter when done. Tip: you want to use a specific dumpling rolling pin, which is different from a traditional baking rolling pin. A dumpling rolling pin is much smaller. We have provided a link for the dumpling rolling pin in the video description below. Tip: you do not want to roll from one side of the flattened dough to the other to make the dumpling wrapper because when you add in the filling, you want to make sure the middle of the wrapper is thicker than the edges so that it can hold the filling without tearing. By rotating the wrapper as you roll, you guarantee that the middle of the wrapper will be thicker. Rolling out dumpling wrappers takes a lot of practice, so don't get discouraged if it doesn't come out perfectly the first time around. Once you are more practiced, it will take less time to roll out all of the wrappers. Thank you for watching this video. Continue on to part 4 of this series on how to fold your dumplings with the filling you made in part 2.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the Chinese Home Style Cooking channel. 谢谢。